Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Kia Soul. It is a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, keyless entry, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2014 Kia Soul's funky styling and fun to drive attitude make it a great for city commutes, and its hatchback versatility makes it practical as well. This Kia has 18-inch alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire mobility kit and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Kia is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, along with fog lights and a really nice black grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Kia has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 26 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Kia only has 70,912 miles on it. At the back of the Kia, you can see the antenna, the spoiler and the high-mount taillight, along with the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Kia has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use a fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as a seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice piano black and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power-adjustable premium cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Kia is also equipped with an auto-dimming rearview mirror, refrigerated storage, and mood lighting. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the mood lighting, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Kia has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding panoramic moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio, it's MP3, SiriusXM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have large climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.